What's up everybody, this is Yair and today we are going to draw Kid Gohan. Okay, so today we are going to draw Kid Gohan Super Saiyan from the anime Dragon Ball Z. As you can see, I already drew a perfect square. Each side is 5 centimeters, but you can draw it in any size you want to. In this tutorial, all you need is a pencil and an eraser. So without further ado, let's get to it. First, we are going to draw Gohan's face. This is going to be a 3/4 pose. Next, we are going to use this guideline to mark the center of Gohan's face. And then we'll proceed to draw the wrinkles between the eyes, following up with the eyebrow, and then drawing the eye by using 3 diagonal lines. And then adding the pupil. We'll draw some lines to mark the bump above the eye, and then of course the famous cheek marks. And as you can see, I'm drawing curves, not straight lines. Also, next we'll draw the left eye, and of course it's going to be smaller because of the angle. It's farther ahead and therefore smaller. Next, we're going to draw the nose by using 5 lines following these steps. And with a very tiny margin from the nose, we're going to draw the mouth. We'll do that by using 3 lines and of course indicate his bottom lip. Next, we are going to draw Gohan's ear. We'll do that first by drawing the shape of the ear, and once we got the shape, we are going to add the details. Next, I'm gonna do some adjustments to the jaw. I think it should be more narrow. Once we are done with that, we are going to draw the neck and the trap muscles. And the next, we are going to draw a rough shape of Gohan's Super Saiyan hair. This guideline will help us keep the right proportions. And of course, now we can go on and draw Gohan's spikes. As you can see, to draw the spikes, I'm using 2 to 4 lines. Sometimes it can be even 5. What's important is to draw them sharp. We'll get rid of all the guidelines, do some refinement here and there. And then we'll draw some random lines in the direction of the hair, just adding more detail to the overall Gohan's Super Saiyan look. Next we're going to draw the gi, and as you can see I forgot to zoom out, but don't worry, I'm gonna redraw it again for you guys. So skip this part. As you can see, I'm adding some blood and some bruises to Gohan's face. By holding the pencil closer to the tip, I'm applying more pressure and therefore get more contrast. Okay, so I'm gonna erase what I drew and you can follow the steps. So first I'm gonna draw the gi. Then I'm gonna add the chest muscles. And just add more bruises. And once I looked at more references, I realized that Gohan has one more spike right there. Awesome, so next we're going to mark all the shaded areas. In this drawing the light source will come from the left side, which means that Gohan's right side will appear darker. So as you can see, I'm marking all the shaded areas just like they did back in the day. It's called cell shading. Awesome, and now we can start the shading process. So as you can see, I'm just adding more layers of lead, shading in the direction of the shape, filling all the shaded areas we marked earlier. And in some areas we want to get a darker tone, so we'll just press more on the pencil and get more shade. As you can see, I'm using the mechanical pencil for that, but you can also use your regular HB2 pencil, doesn't matter. You can also go all over the lines with your mechanical pencil, making it more bold. Next, we'll do the same for the hair, adding more layers of lead. Next, we'll use the mechanical pencil to add an even darker tone, just by adding more pressure to the tip of the pencil. Awesome, once we are done with that, we'll take the eraser and erase all that lead that's smeared on the paper. And you know what, I think we need a bit more shade on the face, so I'm just gonna add one more layer of shade, again coloring in the direction of the shape. And we are done, everybody! This is how you draw Kid Gohan, Super Saiyan Kid Gohan from Dragon Ball Z when he fought against Cell. Please let me know how you did in the comment section. Tell me how was the process. Let me know who would you like me to draw next. Of course, subscribe if you're new. I upload new videos every week. And if you want to do more tutorials, there's over 120 tutorials available for you guys. Just click the link in my description box. That's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching. Keep being awesome as always. And I'll see you on the next video very soon. Peace.